This is a much needed revisit. This is a 2024 revisit here at Little Donnie Walker's Car Wash in Graham, North Carolina, off of Highway 87. I got a Laserwash 360 Plus that it's been due to revisit since 2023. I've revisited the one in Burlington 3 times now. Actually, hear the drives in the other bay with the tandem going. Got our Presoak. I'm actually gonna see if I can put it back here. It's a nice bay. See me? Hey, no, in here. We got our first pass of Presoak. Love the LED illumination. We got another pass of Presoak. Presoak 2. Now we should be getting our high pressure runs. You can hear the motor and the tandem going. Huh? Oh, we got our tri-foam. Interesting. A great application of tri-foam. Got the back decently, but this is the design of the truck. Okay, we're starting our high pressure runs from the back. Last time I came here, we started in the front, but this is interesting. We'll see how this goes. It seemed to slow it down. I wonder if the pressure washer is weak, but it doesn't seem to be weak. Okay, it's starting to change direction. I'm gonna try to turn my best. Okay. What do we got now? Let's see what we got now. We got Surface Protectant or Rain-X. Yellow for Rain-X. I actually like it. It's pretty cool. Then we got Armor All Extreme Wax Shine or Polishing. Not a bad coating, actually. Not a bad coating and polish over an X. Ooh, that did not sound good. That really did not really sound good. I think they may need to look at that. Now we got rinse from the nozzles. Yeah, that railing does not sound good at all. I'm not sure what it sounds like up there, but it just sounds bad. Yeah, the railing up there does not sound good. We got our high pressure rinse. It's doing good, but listen to that sound. Listen. We got our spot free rinse. I'm ashamed this does not have the flash drive by PDQ, but you know, it is what it is. Can't really do anything about it. Yeah, listen. We got our Max air dryers. Okay job. They're doing an okay job. These dryers aren't really the greatest. A lot of water on the sides, with a lot of water on the windshield and on the hood of the car. This did an okay job for a revisit. This was only okay.